Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change theme on Instagram. And here's how it's done. 1. Update Instagram. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. Tap Update if available to get the latest features. 2. Open the Instagram app. 3. Go to Direct Messages. Tap the message icon, top right corner of the home screen. 4. Choose a chat. Tap on the conversation you want to customize. 5. Open chat settings. Tap the person's name or group name at the top of the chat. 6. Tap on theme. 7. Select your preferred theme. Pick from various options like love, tie-dye, monochrome, pride, etc. The theme will instantly apply to that specific chat. Note, themes are chat specific, so you'll need to repeat the process for each chat you want to customize. And that's everything to know about how to change theme on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.